Let's run our order creator AI agent. Now I am giving prompt to query the skills this agent has. As we can see, it has skills related to creating and retrieving orders. Hello friends, welcome to Agentic Navigator. In today's video, we are going to learn step-by-step practical way of how to develop a real AI agent which can call tools to create and get orders. Let's understand the whole architecture of this AI agent before we dive into code. As we know, an AI agent can plan, reason, and act on its own. So how does it plan and reason? What is the brain behind this AI agent? And the answer is LLM. For example, GPT model. So, once it has performed planning and reasoning, it is ready to call appropriate tools, which are functions or APIs. In this demo, we have two functions, creating and getting orders, which will be used as tools to our AI agent. AI agent, basic Python programming, LangChain, and Gen AI, and some prompt engineering knowledge. These are high-level steps we need to follow to create a very simple AI agent. These steps are creating a Python environment, then installing LangChain Agentic AI framework, and finally, we can start writing our AI agent. So let's start with the first step, creating a Python environment. It is always better to create virtual environment for every Python project so that each project's dependencies can be managed without affecting each other. Here is how we can create Python virtual environment. We just need to run Python command venv to create environment. Now we can see in the left navigation panel, a folder with the name .venv is created, which is our virtual environment. So let's start with the second step, installing LangChain and OpenAI framework. LangChain is a very popular agentic AI framework. We just need to run pip install command to install LangChain-OpenAI framework. I have added OpenAI as well because this agent will be using OpenAI GPT model as a brain for planning and reasoning capabilities. For the sake of demo, I had already installed this package, so we can just see that the package is updated in the output message. We can verify the installation of the package in the left navigation panel, which clearly shows that this LangChain and OpenAI framework is installed successfully. So let's start with the final step, writing agent code and defining some tools to be used by our AI agent. We have already installed required LangChain and OpenAI packages. We now need to define tools like get order, get orders by ID, and create orders. So now that we have defined these tools related to order management, let's see how to create agent and integrate these tools with the agent creation logic. We can now create agent. While creating agent, we need to provide model, tools, and system prompt. Gen AI model which will be used for planning and reasoning capabilities. Next, we need to provide tools which we had just defined. So, this is how we have created the agent which now has GPT models as brain and required tools both configured. And that's it, we are now ready to call our agent. To make it interactive, we have put the agent calling logic in loop. Here, we accept the input prompt from the user, and if the user types exit, loops ends and execution stops. Otherwise, it invokes the AI agent. Now that we have gone through the code, let's now ask our AI agent to get or create orders. Let's now see our AI agent in action. We will tell our agent to create an order. But before instructing AI agent, let's first see what create order tool does. So if you see the signature of create order function, it expects three parameters: customer ID, which is email, product name, and product quantity. It then returns order created response. Now let's give the prompt to create order. Once AI agent receives the prompt to create an order, it starts planning which tool should get called. It then finds a suitable function, that is create order. It then asks the user to supply three parameters: customer ID, product name, and quantity to create the order. Let's now supply these three parameters to our AI agent to create an order. As you can see that we have now given a mail ID, product name, and its quantity. This agent should now be able to create the order for this product. And we can see that order has now been created successfully by our AI agent. Like and subscribe to Agentic Navigator channel to get more videos like this.